when you rebuke demons in the name of Jesus, you have to send them directly to the foot of the cross for the day of judgment. Some believers send them to arid places. It's not enough. The right thing, you don't judge them. You send them to the foot of the cross. That's the most powerful thing, because they will hang there for the day of judgment. Then says, I will return to the house I left when it arrives. It finds the house unoccupied, swept clean, and put in order. Then it goes and takes with it 7 other spirits more wicked than itself, and then go and live there. And the final condition of the person is worse than the first. That is how it will be within the wicked generation. So removal alone is not enough. Exorcism alone is not enough.